Hey bling besties, bougie house slippers for bling edition. Now class, we know by now that all roads lead to crownedcrystals.com. I've been meaning to do this forever. If you break your wax pencil, just break it in half and sharpen it. Now when y'all be rhinestoning, you have to put that precision tip back in that bottle, every now and again while you're blinging so that the glue won't start curing inside of the tip and then your tip won't break off. Okay, now I just wanted to bling these out because I'm that girl, and when I'm walking around my house I need to look cute too. So I'm using Krystal AB, various sizes of rhinestones. We're trying to do even spaces. I've told you more than once I'm not an even space type of a girl, but I did my best and it's still giving. It's giving everything I needed to give. It's sparkly, it's shiny, it's fancy, it's so me. It was so easy and it did not take long at all. This is the perfect DIY gift idea, or keep them for yourself. What y'all think? Sparkle on, darling.